Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Gig. So we're back with one more TWS earphones review, and today we have with us the Skullcandy Grind, which they have launched recently. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and review, and we'll tell you the features and we'll discuss how the performance is. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we have the Skullcandy branding, and here we have the main feature, which is the voice control. And we have the few key features here, such as voice control, 40 hours of battery life, IP55 sweat and waterproof. You get the Skullcandy app support, and you can also track your earbuds with the Tile app. At the back we have the features listed, and about them we will talk in a moment. And here we can see we get the 9 hours of battery backup from one single charge, and with the case you can use them for 31 more hours. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get this getting started information, and here we have the app details. And you also get the voice and the button controls information. And then in the box we have the charging case itself, and we have the earbuds inside. We will look at the earphones in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the user guide, a Type-C charging cable, and then we have these neatly packed extra ear tips of large and small size. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. So starting with the charging case, we have the matte finish case with the Skullcandy logo on it. The size of the case is good and the build quality feels good. The design is minimal and the case is made up of hard plastic material, which some may find not that premium. But guys, I've been using this Skullcandy Grind for a couple of months now, and I can say that the case is durable and the door quality is also very good. But due to its bulky design, you won't be able to open the door of the case with one hand. Now looking at the earbuds, we have the in-ear style earbuds, and design wise they look good, and we have this Skullcandy logo on the button. So guys, we don't get the touch here, but instead you have the physical button. I wish we had the touch sensitive panel here instead of the physical button. Now about the design more, even though the earbuds look big and bulky, they are lightweight, and during our testing I found them comfortable to use for long hours. But make sure to use the correct size ear tips, otherwise you will not feel that comfortable. Now in terms of the battery, a single charge will allow you to use these earbuds for approximately 9 hours, and with the case you get additional 31 hours. Now let's pair them with our phone and we'll show you the features. So when you open the case, they will appear in the available Bluetooth device list, and here we have the earbuds paired with our phone. And now looking at the codec, we get the HD AAC codec in these earbuds, and as mentioned earlier that you get the app support in these earbuds, so you need to download the app Skullcandy, and with this you get a lot of customization features. So here we have the app installed, and now just tap on the add device, and here we have the Grind earbuds, which is now connected to the app. In the app, you can see the battery percentage of each earbud. You can also increase or decrease the volume. And then we have the voice control toggle along with the equalizer. And here we have the presets such as music, podcast, movie and custom. So when you select the EQ mode, you also get the voice prompt in the earbuds. Below the EQ, we have the Stay Aware mode, which is like transparency mode, and this allows you to be aware of your surroundings. But guys, unfortunately, these earbuds do not come with the active noise cancellation, and you only get the Stay Aware mode. Then in the app we have the button settings, and here you can customize the button controls, which to be honest is very good. And I can change whatever I want with the single press, double press or the long press. You also get a cool feature, and that is the share audio. And with this, you can share the audio with the compatible Skull IQ earphones. Apart from that, you have the Spotify tab, and with this, you can get straight to your music. Now talking more about the voice commands, so the wake word is the Hey Skullcandy, and now you can give the following commands. This includes the previous or next song, volume up or down. You can also enable or disable the Stay Aware mode. And one more thing, that you do get the assistant support in these earbuds, and for this, you need to say Hey Skullcandy Assistant, and then it will bring up the voice assistant. Now let's talk about the most important thing, and that is the performance. So guys, the first thing I noticed is that the bass is very good, which is a bit more in the music EQ mode. You get a bass heavy sound, though the vocals are clear and the instrument separation is good, but there are some instances where the bass was heavy in the music and it overpowered the vocals and other instruments. But it's not something that you will notice that frequently, and the workaround which I found was to use the custom EQ mode, and with this I was able to customize the EQ as per my choice. Now about the performance more, I have also watched movies with these earbuds and I found the performance very good, especially in the movie mode, and the dialogues were very clear. Now in terms of the mic performance, so first of all about the calls, you can accept or reject the call with the voice command. Accept. And the mic performance is just average, and the other person on the call will get some echo and also the background noises. The Skullcandy Grind is priced at 7,700 rupees in India, and according to us, it's a fair price, keeping in mind that they are already available in the international market for around $100. The default sound output is very good, and you will like it if you prefer the bass heavy output. The app is packed with a lot of features, and you can also customize the EQ as per your choice. And also, you get the tile support in these earbuds, which will help you to locate them if you lose them by any chance. The voice control is super responsive, and during our testing, I stopped using the physical buttons as I can perform all the basic actions with the voice command. The transparency mode performs well, but the lack of ANC might be the deal breaker for you. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a good quality and sturdy pair of earbuds with good sound output and the ANC is not your priority, then we highly recommend you to check out these newly launched Skullcandy Grind True Wireless earphones. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Skullcandy Grind True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.